Hello guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be depositing new money into our Degiro account, and we're going to be showing you how to do that. So let's go. So guys, as we mentioned in the intro, today we're going to be depositing new money in our Degiro investing account. I'm going to be showing you sort of as a tutorial on how to do that. Actually, it's quite simple, so we're going to just show it to you. So as you see now, I've opened our Degiro platform. Right here we have our favorites, our portfolio. If you by the way want to see our portfolio, then please make sure to check out our most recent portfolio update, because there we show you which ETFs and which stocks we actually own and hold in this portfolio. But in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to deposit the money into our account. So the first thing that you need to do is right here on the right top of your screen, select withdraw or deposit. In our case, we want to deposit money. And then there's a couple of options on how to deposit the money. If you do it instant, you can do that via Ideal in our case, which is like a local version to directly transfer money in a very efficient and quick way. It's also free, by the way. Nice. So that's a great option for us. If you don't have that option in your case, you might need to do it manually. There's also a manual transfer option. In our case, we're going to do it via Ideal. We're going to be pressing that button. Now we get some information about our bank account and whatever. On the bottom, we're going to say how much money we are going to be investing. Let's keep it at 250 euros. So that's what I've entered here right now. Then we're going to be selecting the bank. So that's what we see right there. We can select our bank account. So we're going to be doing that. Bada bim, bada boom. We do have 273 euros now available to trade. So if we now go to the inbox and then to our account statement, our reservation Ideal deposit has been successfully deposited to our account. It's 250 euros, which is of course lovely. That's gonna be it for today actually, guys. As you can see, now we have a little bit more money available to trade. So in one of our next videos, we're gonna be showing you how to actually buy more S&P 500 and VWRL shares as well. So see you in the next one, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you there. Let's go.